And the rough early lead is taken by Mr. Saber. By the rail is Final Countdown and Swab Tiger in between horses, Paragood's Order. And heading for the backstretch, Paragood's Order in the lead, followed by Final Countdown on the outside, Mr. Saber on the farther outside in third. Moving up on the inside is Money for Up and Swab Tiger, Object of Desire, and Enchanted Lady. And into the backstretch, Paragood's Order by 2.5 lengths, followed by Final Countdown, and Mr. Saber running in third on the outside. Swab Tiger running in fourth by 3.5 lengths. By the rail is Money for Up, Object of Desire, and Enchanted Lady. Nearing the part there is still Paragood's Order by 3.5 lengths, followed by Swab Tiger on the outside, and by the rail is Mr. Saber. But it's still Paragood's Order in the lead, followed by Swab Tiger, and Mr. Saber remains in third, Object of Desire. And at the far turn, it's still Paragood's Order, Swab Tiger, Enchanted Lady now moving up on the outside, and Money for Up by the rail. It's now Swab Tiger in the lead, followed by Enchanted Lady, and Money for Up moving up by the rail in third. And now the last bend for home, it's still Swab Tiger in the lead. It's Swab Tiger, Enchanted Lady on the outside, Money for Up moving up on the inside. Swab Tiger in the lead, Money for Up by the rail. It's Swab Tiger on the outside, and Money for Up, Enchanted Lady on the farther outside. It's now Money for Up by the rail, Swab Tiger on the outside, Swab Tiger on the outside, Money for Up. But it's still Swab Tiger, Enchanted Lady moving up on the farther outside. It is now Enchanted Lady, and finally Enchanted Lady. Money for Up, Swab Tiger, Object of Desire, Mr. Saber, Paragood's Order, and Final Countdown.